Hey everyone, today we're checking out some insane U-turns that even the GPS would give up on. Just a reminder, this is all for entertainment. When you're out driving, keep both hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. Trust me, you don't want to end up going viral on a traffic cam for doing something like this.
The car lost control while making a sharp turn at high speed and crashed straight into a lamppost. This vehicle might have gotten stuck or run out of power. Fortunately, the driver managed to get out safely. This woman may have confused the accelerator and the brake while driving.
What do you think about this situation? Please leave your comments below. The driver made a left turn without checking. However, they then drove away. Are you planning to hit my car and then just drive away? I'm not sure which direction this green SUV wants to go. It's really hard to tell. The sedan overtook without checking, causing the collision above. Overtaking at high speed and with low visibility is very dangerous. The cyclist was riding in the correct lane. However, there was an obstacle ahead.
Here's the short answer. Not yet.
A situation of entering the main road from a side road without checking. The car in front failed to check before overtaking on the highway. A very unsafe driving situation during a storm.
Try it.
This man escaped danger thanks to a timely reflex within just 1 second. It's possible that both vehicles involved in the collision were in a blind spot caused by the white car driving alongside. The man sitting on the back of the bike didn't trust his friend's driving. A reckless overtake that nearly ended in disaster. The scent of perfume definitely cannot be compared to the smell of tank smoke. A situation of slipping through a narrow door gap. Fortunately, everyone was safe in this collision. Driving on a slippery road can be a disaster at any moment.